Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Simon and I'm here with Bret.
Oh, and here's Sue Bear. He's waving.
I thought we got rid of that bear.
No.
Because Swarberg told you not to have it. But anyway, today we're going to have a race to see who can build this Lego set the quickest. Now we've done this a couple of times, but I think we've done it 3 times in the past. 2 videos have probably been uploaded and 1 video I think never got uploaded.
Because someone made it too long.
But I've beat him every time anyway.
No, he didn't.
So let's see.
It was all him that made it take too long.
Let's see if he can actually concentrate and if he can beat me this time. So, the rules are you can't mess about with each other's stuff. I'm not sure if there's going to be stickers to put on this. If there is, we'll put them on afterwards.
Doesn't look like it.
What are you shaking your head for?
Gotta do it on. The stickers have to go on to complete the set. It won't be completed unless the stickers are on.
Who asked you?
Referee!
Right. So we're having the stickers going on. Oi, you're not meant to open it till we say go.
That doesn't count. How about we just open them before we start?
No.
Why?
Because it's part of the race. So, let's see who can build the set the quickest. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, how many bags do you have?
2. 1 big, 1 small. Originally I wasn't going to do this as a race, I was just going to look at this set, but I bought it, then Bret's mum said, oh, let's have a race. So I went out the next day and ended up paying £1 in difference in the price.
That didn't make much difference, did it?
Yeah, £1. Right, here we go, we're cooking with gas.
No, you're not. You can stop.
Yes.
That's the wrong head. I had it right the
Wait, how
first
many
time.
heads are... Wait a minute.
You just realised there's 2 people.
No, it ain't that. It's just the fact that they both got glasses on. On that side, they both got glasses. That one hasn't got a separate head, and then this one's got a female. And the copper has to have a female head.
Hang on.
So it sort of threw me off a little bit. Hey,
It's being awkward.
you know I'm 1 figure ahead of you.
Slow down a second.
No.
Because I think there's a slight problem with the set.
Why?
Because there is.
Well, if there truly is, we'll sort it out afterwards.
They didn't put the head. They didn't put the visor on the helmet. It was cruel.
Here's your 100 Lego dollars.
Hang on. Here now, a pair of trousers. Oh, there you are.
That's good. They already put the decals on the
The decals.
bike. Decals, yeah.
What do you mean details?
Decals.
Okay. I'm skipping this. There's no helmet. He doesn't have a helmet, that's why. I was looking for a pad that doesn't even exist. That's fine. Have you ever done that?
Nope. I read the instructions.
Okay, I'm 1 step ahead of you.
Handlebars.
Okay, now it's the wheels.
What's your favourite Lego bike? Motorbike?
No idea.
I'm not sure if mine's the one that looks like a Harley Davidson or the what do you call them? Like trail bikes we used to call them over here. Let us know in the comments, what's your favourite Lego bike?
What is a new piece? I've not seen that one before.
What one?
the corrugated sand colour.
You have. Oh. Oh, that.
Hmm.
This one might be closer today.
Oh, will it?
It might be. Steering wheel, steering wheel, steering wheel. Show the camera where you are, Bret.
There.
He didn't show the camera.
Well, the camera can zoom in. I'm in a bit of a hurry here.
Why?
You need to lose. Hang on, what's happened here? What have I done? There's something gone wrong. Oh, that's supposed to... No, it isn't.
That's a cool piece.
This isn't. This is agony. Pain and despair. I've put a piece in the wrong bin. It was a nightmare to get back out again.
Well, I wouldn't worry about it because I didn't do it.
What piece are you on?
The front bumper, I think.
Okay. Would you mind showing the camera where it is you are?
Right there.
And would you mind showing what part you're on?
Right here.
Let me actually show the camera close up.
Oh, you want me to show the camera close up? Oh,
Oh.
here you are. He wants me to slow down.
I was ahead a second ago.
Was you? Is there any photographic evidence?
Yes, it's on video.
I wouldn't mind, but I kind of like the wheels done in a certain way.
Good for you. Well, that's not my problem.
No, but it slows me down a little bit. We'll try and make sure that they're done the way I like. Only a little bit though. 1, 2, 3, 4. I won.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. He can't stand up. My policeman, my
I've
rubber.
lost the wheel. It's in the bag. Why is the wheel in the bag?
There you go.
Wait.
That's quite a cool looking car, actually. I do like that. The way they get off, the way they made that all quite smooth, and the spoiler on the back. I do quite like this model. This is between £8 and £9 this set. Get off! Oh, you broke
I
the
win.
rules anyway. The rules where you couldn't interfere with everybody else's build.
I didn't interfere.
You pulled a piece off my car.
But then, you had to repair that piece. So there... His money exploded.
His money exploded.
Didn't you see?
No,
I
I
was
heard the
playing-
noise, but your money's in the box.
I know, I put it in his hand.
Yeah.
Then I put him on the bike. Trying to move him, his money flew off. So as you can see, I win again.
No.
There you go. The visor flew off.
You ain't even got the visor on the coffer.
Yeah, I was on there a minute ago, then I just dropped it off.
Now you've dropped the visor. Gordon Bennett.
I got a spare.
Well, you're lucky. Anyway, do you
As
enjoy
you
that?
see, I won.
No.
I'm definitely a lot better at making things
did
with
you
Lego
enjoy
than
that?
he is. Yes.
Would you like to do it again, maybe?
Yes.
So if you want to see us race to build Lego again, please let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think of this set. And if we were going to do this again, what set should we do? It's got to be a small one though, because otherwise it would take hours to do. Maybe something like the electric car. or something like that. One of the less than £10 sets, because otherwise we'd be here for like 2 years flipping trying to film it. So anyway,
in your case, you'll be still behind me.
Anyway, if you like this, please leave a like, maybe subscribe if you haven't already, and we thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye bye. Ah, Super Bear's left.
I'm just
shame.
waving, and guess what?
He wants to leave. Oi,
With your car.
that's a bike. Dafty.
With your car.
I'll take yours. Oi, careful.